Are you looking for a reliable way to import your Outlook OST files into Google Apps/G Suite effortlessly? Welcome to WholeClear OST to G Suite Converter. You can securely migrate your OST files to your G Suite account without worrying about compatibility or file size limitations. The tool ensures a smooth, error-free process while retaining complete metadata of your OST files. Key benefits of OST to G Suite migration tool. Import all mailbox items seamlessly. No compatibility issues across platforms. No restrictions on file size. Preserve metadata and folder structure. How to import OST files into Google Apps account. Step 1. Download and launch WholeClear OST to G Suite Converter on your system. Step 2. Select the Outlook storage file star.ost from the source. Step 3. Choose file or folder mode and add OST files using the Browse option. Step 4. Select Export to G Suite account and click Next. Step 5. Enter your G Suite username and password, then click Authenticate User. Step 6. Choose an existing folder in your G Suite account or create a new one for OST files. Step 7. Click Upload Now to begin transferring OST files into your Google Apps account. Once the process is complete, your OST data will be available directly in your Google Apps/G Suite account. The software is designed with a user-friendly interface, making it simple for both technical and non-technical users. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.